Only 3 Range Rover engines have truly earned the 300,000-mile reputation. The difference comes down to one mechanical loophole most buyers completely overlook until the repair bill hits 5 figures and the entire SUV suddenly becomes worthless. 3. 2007 to 2009 Range Rover L 322 4.4 Jaguar AJV8. This is the Range Rover engine most buyers completely ignore because it sits in the awkward middle generation between the BMW-era trucks and the newer, supercharged luxury models. And that is exactly why this became one of the smartest long-term Range Rover buys left on the market. The 4.4 naturally aspirated AJV8 inside the late L322 is one of the last truly simple modern Range Rover engines before the brand started aggressively chasing complexity, massive power figures, and over-engineered emissions systems. No supercharger, no twin turbos, and no aggressive boost pressure constantly stressing the engine under extreme heat. Instead of chasing sports car performance, this engine was built around smoother power delivery and lower long-term mechanical strain. This matters more than most buyers realize. The biggest reason modern Range Rover engines fail early is not always poor engineering, but excessive stress. Turbocharged engines generate enormous heat, while direct injection allows carbon buildup to form over time. Cylinder pressures rise dramatically, cooling systems work harder, and oil temperatures climb far higher than naturally aspirated setups. And once maintenance slips even slightly, expensive failures begin stacking together. The 4.4 AJV8 avoids most of that. This engine was designed around long-term smoothness instead of extreme performance numbers. Power delivery feels relaxed, the engine rarely works hard during daily driving, and the naturally aspirated setup creates far less heat than later supercharged or turbocharged models. The lower heat load changes everything about long-term durability. Timing chain systems last longer, rubber seals survive longer, and cooling components operate under less pressure. Oil breakdown slows down, while transmission temperatures stay lower because the engine is not constantly producing aggressive torque spikes. The late L322 platform also matters enormously. This generation still feels like an old-school Range Rover, with heavy doors, physical buttons, minimal screen dependency, and a cabin that feels handcrafted instead of software-controlled. Most importantly, these years avoided many of the catastrophic electronic nightmares that exploded in later Range Rover generations. The suspension systems are still expensive if neglected, but the core drivetrain itself is dramatically more durable than the newer turbocharged V6 and V8 setups. The key with this engine is preventative cooling system maintenance. This is the difference between a 120,000-mile disaster and a 300,000-mile survivor. Water pumps, thermostats, expansion tanks, coolant crossover pipes, and radiator hoses all need preventative maintenance. Ignore them, and overheating eventually destroys the engine, but maintain them proactively, and the drivetrain becomes shockingly durable for a luxury SUV. This is where smart owners separate themselves from emotional owners. Most owners wait for failure, while long-term owners replace cooling components and service fluids before problems appear. These engines respond far better to shorter oil intervals than factory recommendations designed around convenience and lease ownership. Running quality synthetic oil every 5,000 to 6,000 miles reduces sludge, timing chain wear, and internal buildup while avoiding the complicated turbo and direct injection systems found in newer Range Rover engines. Fewer systems, fewer failure points, and lower repair exposure. That is the entire loophole behind this list. The market pricing creates a massive opportunity because most buyers fear all Range Rovers equally, and that fear destroys resale values across even the more reliable models. A properly maintained late L322 4.4 can often cost less than a heavily used economy SUV while still delivering one of the best highway rides ever built into a luxury vehicle. And because these trucks are no longer the preferred status symbol for luxury buyers, depreciation already did most of the damage. The real danger comes from neglected ownership history. And buying one of these without maintenance records is financial roulette. A neglected example quickly becomes a money pit once cooling repairs, suspension wear, and ignored fluid changes start stacking together. But documented maintenance completely changes the ownership experience. This engine survives because it avoids oversized boost pressure, overloaded emissions hardware, and hyper-stressed tuning, relying instead on smoother, naturally aspirated power delivery. And that exact formula becomes even more important on the next engine. The next Range Rover engine on this list is the diesel workhorse that quietly built one of the strongest high-mileage reputations the brand has ever seen. 2010 to 2012, Range Rover L 322 4.4 TDV8 diesel. This is the engine that completely changed how long-distance Range Rover ownership was viewed. While most luxury SUVs struggled with reliability as mileage climbed, the 4.4 TDV8 quietly built a reputation for serious long-distance durability. The reason comes down to one thing. This engine was built for torque first, not aggressive performance numbers. The low-stress diesel torque completely changes the durability equation. The 4.4 TDV8 produces huge pulling power at extremely low RPM. During highway driving, towing, and long-distance cruising, the engine barely works compared to smaller gasoline engines constantly climbing through higher rev ranges. Lower RPM means fewer combustion cycles over the same distance, which reduces long-term internal wear dramatically. This is one of the biggest reasons diesel engines dominate extreme mileage driving globally when maintained properly. And this specific Range Rover diesel became one of the best examples of that formula. The 4.4 TDV8 also solved one of the biggest problems older diesels suffered from: noise and refinement. This engine feels smooth, quiet, and effortless even during long-distance driving. Instead of sounding agricultural, it delivers massive torque with almost silent highway cruising. The combination made it one of the few luxury diesel SUVs buyers genuinely wanted to drive long-term. This matters more than most buyers realize, because owner behavior directly affects reliability. Vehicles that feel stressful to drive usually get neglected faster, because owners become frustrated and maintenance gets delayed. The TDV8 created the opposite experience, with long-distance comfort, effortless power delivery, and low cruising RPM that still felt refined even as mileage climbed. The transmission pairing also matters enormously. These trucks used the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, which transformed the driving experience compared to earlier Range Rover gearboxes. Smooth shifts, lower cruising RPM, and reduced drivetrain shock made the drivetrain feel effortless during daily driving. The smoother power delivery directly helps long-term longevity. Harsh shifts, aggressive downshifts, and sudden torque spikes create additional wear across the drivetrain over hundreds of thousands of miles. The TDV8 avoids that entire problem by delivering power in a smooth, controlled manner. The smoothness becomes a hidden reliability advantage, especially once mileage passes 150,000 miles. The biggest mistake owners make is believing diesel engines can tolerate neglected maintenance forever. Modern luxury diesels still depend heavily on proper oil quality, fuel quality, cooling system care, and transmission servicing. The owners reaching 300,000 miles are not neglecting these trucks, but maintaining them obsessively. One of the biggest hidden killers is delayed oil changes. Turbo diesel engines contaminate oil faster than naturally aspirated gasoline engines because of soot buildup and heat exposure. Stretching oil intervals eventually accelerates turbo wear, timing system wear, and internal contamination. Once contamination starts building heavily inside a diesel engine, repair costs climb frighteningly fast. Turbocharger replacement alone can become massively expensive. Injector repairs are not cheap either, and ignoring contaminated oil long enough accelerates wear across every moving internal component. This is where ownership discipline matters. Smart owners treat oil changes as cheap insurance, while careless owners wait for warning lights until repair bills suddenly explode. Another major advantage is how these engines deliver torque without constantly stressing themselves. Most modern turbocharged gasoline SUVs create performance by aggressively increasing boost pressure and cylinder stress. This diesel does not need to chase power aggressively because the torque already exists naturally in the engine design. The lower stress level becomes extremely important once mileage passes 150,000 miles. As engines age, heat and pressure become the biggest enemies of reliability because rubber seals weaken, cooling systems lose efficiency, oil breaks down faster, and internal tolerances slowly change over time. That is why engines constantly operating under extreme heat and pressure usually fail first. The 4.4 TD V8 manages both better than most modern Range Rover engines. This is one of the biggest reasons these trucks quietly built a reputation for surviving massive highway mileage. Fuel economy also changes ownership psychology because owners willing to drive these trucks long distances usually maintain them better. The comfortable highway experience makes them genuinely enjoyable for road trips and long-distance travel. This creates an entirely different ownership pattern compared to heavily abused city-driven luxury SUVs, constantly dealing with short trips, stop-and-go traffic, and cold starts. Highway miles are easier on engines because temperatures stay stable, RPM remains steady, drivetrain shock stays lower, and heat cycling happens far less often. And the TD-V8 was practically engineered for that environment. Although repair costs are still luxury vehicles expensive, this is not a cheap SUV to maintain. Ignoring maintenance quickly becomes catastrophic. Turbo replacement costs, suspension repairs, injector issues, and emission system maintenance can all become extremely expensive once problems begin appearing. This is where many buyers make a dangerous mistake. They buy these trucks because depreciation makes them look affordable, but they maintain them like economy cars. The strategy destroys luxury diesels quickly, while owners reaching 250,000 to 300,000 miles usually understand maintenance far better than most buyers. Preventative maintenance is dramatically cheaper than reactive repairs because replacing fluids early costs far less than replacing entire drivetrains later. And compared to many newer Range Rover powertrains suffering timing chain disasters, cooling failures, and excessive electronic complexity, the TD-V8 built a far stronger reputation for surviving serious mileage. The reputation did not happen accidentally. It came from lower RPM operation, smoother power delivery, strong highway refinement, and reduced long-term mechanical stress compared to heavily boosted gasoline engines. And this is where the smart ownership loophole appears, because most buyers fear mileage while experienced diesel owners fear neglect instead. A properly maintained 180,000-mile TD-V8 can often be a safer purchase than a neglected 90,000-mile modern luxury SUV with poor service history. This is the difference between understanding mileage and understanding maintenance. Mileage alone does not destroy luxury vehicles because neglect is what truly kills them, and that is exactly why the 4.4 TD-V8 became one of the longest-lasting modern Range Rover engines ever built. Now comes the #1 engine on this list, the engine that built the strongest long-term durability reputation in modern Range Rover history. 1. 2005 to 2009 Range Rover Sport/LR 3.4.4 Jaguar AJ-V8. This is the closest thing Range Rover ever built to a forever engine. This engine was not the fastest or the most advanced. It lasted because it avoided many of the engineering decisions that destroyed long-term reliability in later models. The 4.4 naturally aspirated Jaguar AJ-V8 became one of the strongest high-mileage engines ever installed into a Land Rover product. And unlike many newer Range Rover engines, this one developed a reputation for predictable ownership. This matters enormously because predictable problems are survivable, while random catastrophic failures destroy ownership. The reason this engine lasts comes down to balance. The power output stayed moderate, stress levels remained reasonable, cooling demand stayed manageable, and the internal components were never pushed to extreme limits. This engine never tried to become a supercar engine trapped inside a luxury SUV, and that decision ultimately saved it. The later supercharged V8 models created far more heat, pressure, cooling demands, and opportunities for expensive failure. This engine stayed simpler, and simpler almost always survives longer. The 4.4 AJ V8 uses port fuel injection, which immediately eliminates one of the largest reliability issues affecting many modern direct injection engines. Carbon buildup is far less of a problem because fuel constantly washes across the intake valves, helping control deposits naturally as mileage climbs. The timing system's reputation is also much stronger than many later Land Rover engines. Timing chain failures became infamous on several newer powertrains because owners followed extended oil intervals, while heat and contamination accelerated wear. This engine responds extremely well to regular maintenance, and that same pattern keeps appearing throughout this entire list. The engines reaching 300,000 miles are not always the most advanced. They are the engines with the fewest catastrophic failure points. The LR3 and early Range Rover Sport platforms also matter because they came from a period when Land Rover still prioritized genuine mechanical capability. Body-on-frame construction, heavy-duty drivetrains, strong suspension articulation, and serious towing ability all contributed to long-term durability. Everything feels massively overbuilt compared to many modern crossovers pretending to be SUVs. The overbuilt design philosophy directly improves longevity because the drivetrain components were built to handle serious abuse. And while the suspension systems still require maintenance, the core engine itself became known for surviving serious mileage when owners handled preventative maintenance correctly. Cooling system service remains absolutely critical on these engines. Owners who proactively replace water pumps, thermostats, hoses, and expansion tanks before failure are usually the ones reaching massive mileage milestones. Waiting for overheating in a Range Rover is one of the fastest ways to destroy the engine completely. And once overheating happens severely enough, repair costs climb into catastrophic territory almost immediately. This is why preventative maintenance matters far more than mileage on these trucks. This engine also benefits from one major advantage: parts availability. The AJ V8 platform was used across multiple Jaguar and Land Rover products, which means parts sourcing is dramatically easier than many buyers expect. Independent specialists understand these engines, aftermarket support exists, and repair knowledge is widespread. The lowers long-term ownership risk compared to newer overcomplicated engines that often require dealership-only diagnostics. The ownership experience itself is another reason they survive. The driving feel is relaxed with smooth torque delivery, linear acceleration, no aggressive turbo lag, and a drivetrain that never feels constantly stressed. These trucks encourage calm highway cruising instead of aggressive driving, and that matters for long-term durability. Driving style directly impacts long-term engine wear. The market still undervalues these heavily because most buyers fear the Range Rover badge itself. And honestly, many modern Range Rovers earned that fear, but this engine belongs to a different era. A properly maintained 4.4 AJ V8 with documented service history can quietly outlast many newer luxury SUVs costing 3 or 4 times more. This is the loophole. The strongest long-term Range Rover engines were not the most technologically advanced because they were built before complexity became the priority. This was before oversized turbocharging, excessive heat, overloaded electronics, and extremely stressed performance tuning took over modern luxury SUVs. The longest-lasting Range Rover engines were never the most advanced. They survived because they avoided excessive heat, stressed performance tuning, and unnecessary complexity. Like and subscribe for more Range Rover loopholes, hidden reliability secrets, and expensive mistakes most owners miss.